Hello, it's Danielle with the Victorious Planner and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be flipping through the Abstract Watercolor sticker book by the Happy Planner. This was part of their fall release, which I have gotten so many things from their fall release. I did a very large order and did an unboxing of that order that I will link above or below or probably both. So you can check that out if you missed it. But as you may know, if you've been around on my channel for long, we have been flipping through everything that I purchased in the fall release, and we are getting towards the end. We have a couple more sticker book flip throughs after this one, but without further ado, let's take a look at this beautiful abstract watercolor sticker book. The color scheme is definitely something that caught my eye with this sticker book. It's a little bit different than any other book that I have in my collection so far. So this first page, this is awesome. We have some different quotes in different kind of shapes and designs. Oh my goodness, these are awesome. So this style, like these designs and the colors, I really love. We have some more quotes in gold foil. That's awesome. Just some extra design pieces. Here's some more. This will be fun. These will be fun to use to create some different spreads. And then this is awesome. So we have some a little bit different shaped stickers. Now I think there was one or two, maybe even more, like recovery planners or wellness type planners that I believe this goes to, like it's part of that line. And so these may be sized for certain boxes in those planners, but they do look a little bit different in size than some of the other ones that I have. But I'm loving those colors and those designs. Oh, and then here we go. I don't know if you can see that. Try to get the light to hit it. So we have different emotions on these stickers. So there's a row of smiley faces and then kind of a meh face and then a sad face and then a row of just blank dots. So you can use those for mood tracking or things like that. Some strips of washi. Oh, these are awesome. Some bigger square stickers. Those are so fun. And then long boxes. You could either put this way or even turn them on their side. Some gold ones. Oh, these are fun. Kind of like a half triangle shape. A half square. Those are really pretty. And then here's some reflection things. That's awesome. When things are tough and you want to remember, make yourself a note. Those are awesome. List 3 things you do well. List 2 ways you can improve your daily routines. So just different prompts for you to do a little bit of a journaling or encouraging note to yourself. And look at those. Those are so pretty. I love it. Then we have some gold boxes. Some different colored boxes. Some more. These are shaped for your main calendar spread if you choose to use them that way. More of these awesome designs. Oh, I just love this. And I love that they have the box out in the middle, so you'll be able to place this in your planner and then right in the middle. Oh my goodness, look at this page, you guys. This is awesome. So the entire background is colored, but then it looks like the actual sticker part is just a little flag, and it says these different quotes. That is gorgeous. Awesome. All right, and then lots of gold mini quotes. You got this. Radiate positivity. Be brave. Awesome. All right, what do you guys think? Like I said, I love the color scheme. I love the different artwork. Super excited to have this in my collection. What about you guys? Did you add this to your collection yet? Is it on your wish list? If you're interested in it, I will have information below, links for you to where you can purchase this, a note on which craft stores they're available in while supplies last. So check it out below if you are interested in finding this sticker book. And thank you guys so much for flipping through it with me, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye!